everyone. I'm Dr. Busha Hussain, Assistant Professor, Education and Program Coordinator of BEd and Diploma in Early Childhood Care and Education in Center for Distance and Online Education, Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, India. Our students, through this video, I would like to inform you about BEd program that we offer in distance mode. In BEd program, we have 2 years, BEd Part 1, which is called previous year or the first year, and we have BEd Part 2, which is final year or second year. So as you can see in the slide, in BEd previous year, we have various theory courses which are basically compulsory papers. We have BEd 01, which is childhood and growing up. We have BEd 02 paper, which is contemporary India and education. Then we have BEd 03, language across the curriculum. BEd 04, understanding disciplines and subjects. And BEd 05, learning and teaching. All these 5 papers are basically compulsory papers. And the weightage of assessment is 30:70. We have a policy of continuous and comprehensive evaluation in Center for Distance and Online Education. So we have assignments which are of 30% and then the end-term examination which is of 70%. In BEd Part 1, we have various practical courses also which are again compulsory practical papers. As you can see that we have BEd 06, which is reading and reflecting on text. Then we have BEd 07 paper, which is drama and art in education. Then we have 1 week intense workshop that we organize in BEd Part 1, in which we arrange resource persons from the various educational institutes across India, so that they can share their expertise in their areas with our BEd first year students. Then in BEd Part 1, we have 4 weeks school internship program where our students get an opportunity to observe the various activities that are conducted as a part of school teaching and learning program. Then in BEd Part 1, we have various pedagogy teaching courses which are optional papers. We offer different optional papers to our students, and our students in BEd Part 1 can select any 2 papers based on the subjects that they have studied in their graduation or post-graduation at least for 2 years. So the students can select any 2 pedagogy papers from the available pedagogy papers that we offer in BEd Part 1. Then in BEd final year or BEd Part 2, we have 4 theory compulsory papers, which are BEd 15, assessment of learning, BEd 16, knowledge and curriculum, BEd 17, gender, school and society, and BEd 18, creating an inclusive school. Again, in these papers, we follow the assessment strategy of 30:70, 30% for internal assessment and 70% for external assessment. Then in BEd Part 2, we have various practical courses which are compulsory for all our students in BEd second year. We have BEd 19, which is critical understanding of ICT. We have BEd 20, which is understanding the self. And then we have BEd 21, which is basically school internship. Now in this school internship, the students are supposed to do 16 weeks intensive school internship program as a part of practical activity in BEd Part 2. They have to deliver various lesson plans as teaching practice of subject 1 and also as teaching practice of subject 2. Along with the teaching practice of these 2 pedagogy subjects, the students also have to undergo various school-based activities, the details of which are mentioned in Appendix 2 of the program guide. Then we have various optional papers also as a part of second year, and the students can select any one out of the following. So we offer BEd 22, which is vocational or work education. We offer BEd 23, which is health, physical and yoga education. We offer BEd 24, which is peace education. And we also offer BEd 25, which is guidance and counseling. So in BEd second year, the students can select any one elective paper out of these 4 papers. School internship. In first year of BEd, all our students are supposed to do 4 weeks school internship program. In second year, our students are supposed to do 16 weeks intensive school internship program in any elementary school. That can be a government school, a private school, or any aided school. In BEd Part 1, the students have to undergo various school activities which are as follows. The students have to select any 3 activities out of the 5 mentioned activities, and activity 6 is compulsory for all the students to do. So as you can see, the students can opt any 3 out of the available 5, which are basically maintenance of registers and records, addressing the school assembly, or preparation of school timetable, or field experience, or organizing career talk, PTA meeting, debate, or any panel trip, or any other activity the students can opt out of the given 5 activities. Activity 6 is basically compulsory for all the students, and it is basically school observation. The details of all these activities are available in Appendix 1 of Program 1. Now in BEd Part 2, the students have to do the following activities. The students have to select any 2 activities out of the available 5 activities, and the 6th activity is a compulsory activity for all the students. So the students can select activity 1, which is administration of intelligence test, personality test, aptitude test, or they can also do preparation of cumulative record. They can do conducting a sociometric test in the classroom, or action research, or content analysis exercise, or organization of a campaign. So the students have to select any 2 activities out of these 6 available activities. Then activity 7, which is school experience program, is compulsory for all the students. As a part of this activity, the students have to deliver at least 20 lesson plans in each pedagogy subject that they have selected as a part of optional pedagogy papers in BEd Part 1. So the students have to do teaching practice in subject 1 and deliver 20 lesson plans in that subject, and also teaching practice of subject 2 and deliver 20 lesson plans in that subject 2. Out of these 20 lesson plans, 10 lesson plans have to be supervised by the school principal or any head teacher of that school in which the student is doing school internship program. So these are the various activities and the various papers that the students have to do as a part of BEd Part 1 and Part 2 in BEd program of distance mode of Center for Distance and Online Education, Jamia Millia Islamia. The detail of all these activities and papers are available in our program guide, which is already uploaded in CDOI's web page of Jamia's website, and the link can be accessed from the mentioned link. Thank you students, take care, happy learning and happy teaching.